Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have this gentleman. He's saying that he met a woman and she has been so rough with him. He does not understand if there's anyone out there who could help him out because the woman has a high sex drive and he has been up all night trying to please her. And his skin is so sensitive and she hurt his skin. His manhood, he says, has gone from back to front all different ways, and he's really not understanding how one person at the age of 50 something would have been so bad she's acting like she's 16. So just go ahead and watch this video, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Tell you something, if anybody out there can suggest anything to help me out, that would be grateful. I met a woman last night. For the first time she come to my house. That's why I look so rough. For the first time she come to my house. Apparently, this woman is telling me a lot. And she's got a high sex drive. When I said this woman got a fucking high sex drive, she's got a high sex drive. Mate, I've seen my life flash in front of me between 10 o'clock last night and 6 o'clock this morning. I've seen the sun just come out. I haven't rest from 10 o'clock last night till 6 o'clock this morning. This fucking woman is trying to kill me. Right? I am 40 years of age and this woman is 52 and she's acting like she's 21. Okay? The fucking woman nearly killed me. First thing she start doing, she start biting me. My skin is sensitive. This woman start biting me. At one point during sex, I was crying. And why I was crying is because I was under so much pressure. My willy has bent from the front and almost touched the crack of my ass. Right? Almost touched the crack of my ass. I was planning to do this woman a few things. And you know, the woman come here. And I'm the one that learned a few things. Mate, I've seen things bent that it shouldn't be bent. Things twist that shouldn't be twisted. Things come off that shouldn't be come off. At one point, she was biting on my titties. My titties are here. She was biting off my titties. And one time when she come up from biting my titties, I had to look in her mouth if my titties was in her mouth. This woman went down on me. And when she went down on me, I'm thinking to myself, okay, it feels like I'm going in for a crash landing, right? Then, she's not a small woman. She went on top of me. My inside went through the middle of the bed and touched the floor and come back up and went inside of me. This woman was riding me like I'm at the Cheltenham Festival and then they're riding the Queen's horse. You know when you see them horses on TV in the horse races? This is what the woman was doing to me. She was riding me like a fucking horse. Right? The only thing left for her to do was whip me. Right? And says, come on, you little thoroughbred. Come on, you little thoroughbred. Right? My hair. She turned me back way. And she didn't push anything inside me, but she turned me back way and she says, turn back way. I want to look at you from behind. And as soon as I turned back way, she grabbed the back of my head. And my head was going like that. And it was going around. And at one point I thought I had fucking whiplash. I had whiplash. No, I said to myself, this woman is not coming back to my house and I'm not going to visit this woman. So I needed an excuse. If anybody know of a good excuse, I can tell this woman. Because if I can't think of any excuse, I'm going to delete, change my number. I'm going to phone the EE company and ask them to send me a new chip. Now this woman know where I live. I'm going to also move out of the area. Right? I'm going to ask the neighbor if they want to swap house. That means when she knock my door, I'm not fucking there. You know what I mean? My life flashed in front of me last night. I've seen Jesus. I've seen Jesus because of this woman last night. My life was in front of me. And I was at Heaven Gates. And I was about to walk through Heaven Gates. Thank God it's 6 o'clock and she had to leave. It's fucking too